Hey fam, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I have a unit that is 100% glueless. This unit was provided to me by Recool Hair. However, all opinions are my own. The wig that I'm going to be showing you guys today is Recool Hair short body wave glueless closure unit. I have it in 16 inches and I have the 5x5 closure lace, but you can get it in a 13x4 if you want it in a full frontal. This wig came straight out the package ready to go, and I appreciate that. You see that hairline? No plucking needed. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have all the information in my description box. This is going to be my first attempt at trying the glueless, like no adhesive, no got to be glued, no nothing. The glueless method. Ooh, fingers crossed. Let's see.
Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All them other chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you,
he panicked.
Do y'all see that? Okay, good, because I don't either.
shook. Guess I gotta try. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you. In the summertime, you my new boo.
Y'all get into this. Do you see that? Okay. This is a, like, dare I say, like a throw on and go? I didn't wash it. I wanted to see how it looked in its natural state. As you can see, it comes styled. Recool Hair. Okay, I see you. I see you. You see how flat it's looking? I'm going to slightly go in with my hot comb, but girl, I don't need to. So I have been wearing this wig currently for, I think this is day 4. I do my best to wear my human hair wigs for at least 2 to 3 days so I can give you guys a fair review. Right now I'm just going in, adding some layers. Y'all, I haven't been getting hardly any shedding. The only con I can think of is it does have a light scent to it, but that's because I haven't washed it. So once you wash it, that should dissipate. I have been sleeping in this unit and I'm not getting any tangling. The price is about $150 for my exact specs, which is a closure wig, 16 inches. I think that's a fair price, especially for the quality of this unit. It's definitely a wig that I would say, if you wear your wigs constantly, you're going to get at least a year wear. If you're a wig bae, you're going to get over a year because you're going to be switching your wigs out. This wig will be around for the long run. The cap construction and everything on this wig was great to me. Okay, this is the finished product. I just added a little layer right here and one on the side like you guys seen, and she's definitely together. It's been a couple hours, so if I'm oily, that's why. I have to reiterate the quality of the lace. 10 out of 10 for me because I love the style. This is your perfect everyday unit. It can transition you from season to season. If you guys are interested in checking out Recool Hair or purchasing this unit, I will have everything linked in my description box, as well as my Amazon storefront with direct links to the products that you have seen me use. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.